Lincoln families and community members. I'm Alan Birch, and welcome to Open House 2023. I've been so pleased with how the students returned this year, eager, ready to work with some energy. And I don't know how they're leaving the house, but when they're here, they've been focused, and I feel like we have a really good year shaping up. Tonight, just an opportunity to walk in their shoes and to meet the teachers, and you're going to see that Lincoln is full of people who care about those students. And we're going to start with a group of those individuals with our administrative staff, and we're going to pause to hear from each of those.
Hi, my name is Jen Tibbetts. I'm the Assistant Principal for Curriculum and Learning at Lincoln. I work closely with our teachers, our testing coordinator, and our guidance department. We have wrapped up schedule changes, and I appreciate your patience as we have gotten all of our students in the classes they need for graduation and to reach their goals. Guidance is now meeting with students and taking appointments. To make an appointment, please ask your child to go to the guidance office before school or after school or during lunch to set that appointment up. Counselors will soon be visiting classrooms. They will start with seniors and present specific information for that grade level in small groups to each class. The senior parent night is set for September 22nd. We encourage all seniors and especially their parents to come out for that night full of information. The guidance website has those dates on there, as well as scholarship information, testing information, tutoring information, and the testing calendar. We have academic support available to students. Our tutoring programs are all starting up very soon or have already started. NHS offers tutoring during lunch and after school. Those are peer tutors, and it's for every subject area. There is math tutoring available during lunch by teachers on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and there is test prep available after school, and this is led by Lincoln teachers on Tuesdays and Thursdays after school. I encourage parents and students to start with the teacher if they have any questions or concerns about how class is going, but those are great resources for additional help. If your child is having any trouble with their Chromebook, please ask them to report to the Media Center at lunch. Our TechCon is available at lunch to address their needs. And if they have focus issues, those can be handled at the district, and they should email focushelp@leonschools.net to get assistance with focus. I'm excited about this year and looking forward to a great year of learning and growth. Go Trojans.
Good evening. I am Arva Demps, Assistant Principal in charge of attendance. If your child is absent, please email lincolnattendance@leonschools.net and attach doctor's notes and any other documentation you think we may need. If you know your child will be absent, prearranged absence forms can be found on the Lincoln website. I am also in charge of dress code. Please review pages 9 and 10 in your child's student planner for dress code information. Thank you and have a great year. Go Trojans.
Hi, my name is Brent Monroe. I'm the Assistant Principal of Discipline. Welcome everybody to Lincoln High School. If you're looking for me, I can be found over in Student Affairs. So just a few things while I have you here. I'm also in charge of parking. So remember students, if you're parking on campus, you must have a parking pass. Anyone who's does not have a parking pass and parks in someone else's spot, you will get a boot. Again, my name is Brent Monroe. Welcome to Lincoln High School. Hope you all have a great year.
Hey, I'm Deputy Weaver. Welcome back, Trojans. Hope you have a good year. If you have any issues or concerns, I'm located in Student Affairs. I'm here to make the school campus safe and make sure you have a good year. Come see me.
Hey everybody, my name is Heather Thompson. I'm Dean of Discipline here at Lincoln. I handle all things discipline, so hopefully I don't have to meet you on that circumstance. If you ever need anything, I'm found in Student Affairs. Welcome and go Trojans.
Hi, I'm Joe Valisi. I'm your athletic director. I'm here to help. If you have any questions, please find me in my office. If you're wanting to participate in any sports, please speak with the coaches. And if you are interested in clubs, please check our website. Have a great evening. Go Trojans.
Had a moment to hear from our administrators. I want to talk to you a bit about how tonight will work and just our year in general and our plan for this year. As is always the case, our focus is on instruction and our curriculum, and we're really trying to increase the rigor in our coursework this year, and specifically focus on two populations, our ESE students and our English language learner students. We looked at our data and we saw that we needed to work on a few areas, and I'm excited about the plan and what we're going to be doing. Working with that, I expect some really good results. Tonight, I've got a couple things for you. One, our school improvement plan, we've got that together. It's in a draft form. It's here in the main office if you would like to take a look at that, or certainly any other time beyond tonight if you would like to look at the school improvement plan. We have that available for you. And just tonight about how this will work. So you should be in your homeroom class. You'll get the schedule for your periods when the bell rings. We'll go to first period. You have 6 minutes inside of each period. You have 5 minutes in between, and you're just going to walk the day of your student. We'll be out in the halls to help you get to your next location. But I know with 6 minutes inside of a period, you don't have time to have that conference with the teacher. And if that is needed, I encourage you to speak to guidance, make an appointment that it works in your schedule, because we do want we do want you guys involved and get to answer any questions for you about your students' education. It's an honor to have you here tonight. Please come see me if I can do anything for you, or one of the other administrators, because we really are here working with you guys as a Lincoln family. And I hope you have a wonderful night, and go Trojans.